Jill's husband says family relies on food banks after dad Jim Bob stole money. Jinger Duggar's husband Derick Dillard has claimed the family relies on food banks during their financial struggle after dad Jim Bob allegedly stole money from them, according to unsealed court records. Sisters Jill, Jessa, Jinger and Joanna sued the city of Springdale, police department employees and other defendants for invasion of privacy, claiming releasing their oldest brother Josh's molestation police report caused emotional distress. Jill, 30, and Jessa, 31, came forward as two of the 5 victims that were molested in the family home in 2006, while Jinger and Joanna have not. The case was dismissed ahead of trial, as a judge ruled that the sisters failed to prove the released report caused emotional distress. In unsealed court records exclusively revealed by The Sun, Jill's husband Derick revealed the financial strain they have experienced. In the unsealed court papers, the 4 sisters requested evidence of their finances be excluded from the case. But the defendants fought back, claiming in court papers, the plaintiffs have claimed that the release of the redacted report by defendants has caused them extreme emotional distress. Assuming the plaintiffs have experienced emotional distress and due to plaintiffs attributing that emotional distress to the actions taken by defendants, the defendants are entitled to introduce alternative explanations for any emotional distress that the plaintiffs may have suffered and thus, the plaintiff's financial condition may be relevant to this case. They then used Derick's May 25, 2021 deposition as an example. The court papers continued, because of their lack of income, they receive boxes of food from neighbors and also receive food through a pantry on campus. Whether plaintiff and her husband are struggling financially may be relevant to her emotional state. The filing included Derick's deposition, where he told attorneys, "Our neighbors bring boxes of food sometimes. And I also got food through the pantry on campus." Jill and Derick are expecting their 3rd son to join Israel, 7, and Sam, 4. She and her husband have put their Arkansas home on the market, as they are moving for Derick's law job after he passed the bar exam. Jill and Derick have been open about receiving no compensation from their time on Counting On, as reps for TLC have not responded to the Sun's request for comment in the past. People reported Jim Bob was in charge of the money made from Counting On, as they received $25,000 to $45,000 per episode. The couple didn't receive money from the series until they quit in 2017. Jill said, "That's when we got an attorney involved and finally recovered some of the money. It was a process." Derick said in a YouTube video, "It probably ended up being a little more than minimum wage. But we were able to recover at least something." The show was cancelled in 2021 after oldest brother Josh's arrest for child pornography. The Sun previously reported the 4 sisters also requested evidence related to their relationship with parents Jim Bob and Michelle be excluded because it has no relevance to the case. In the defendants' response, they claimed their allegation of emotional distress opens the door to inquiries into their lives, including their relationship with the parents.